Mr. Scotty.
Hey.
So, I see your brackets are up and nice and looking good.
Slowly but surely.
You're finalizing that bracket?
Yep.
And we're pretty much done, huh?
Well, I got to do a little more stability for the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
So that I know that it's stable.
It's important to have a stable bottom, isn't it?
This is true.
Because you could slip and injure your ding-ding, right?
That's right.
Yeah, that's not good.
And injured ding-ding is bad.
Injured ding-ding bad. Things Scotty teaches.
So,
this is a teaching facility, boys and girls. That's pretty damn... Look at you.
so the only spot that I'll actually need to do anything with is right here, and I happen to have another piece of rubber.
Beautiful. And then we're set.
And then we're set.
So I'm going to put coolant in the puke tank, if I may.
There's actually coolant in it.
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is. How?
None.
The whole bottom is covered.
Yeah, it's got to be up to here.
I know that, but I'm saying.
All right, so you can see Scotty's down here being the wrenching genius. So I went in and I turned the key and I turned the AC on because that will run the fan. And Xander was standing up here. And he's like, it's barely moving. I'm like, what? That thing should be blowing like... Well, never mind.
Like a whore in church?
Blowing like Scotty was. So, Scotty, our last clip, you were down there adjusting things. Because we had a drag. Xander and I was saying we had a drag on the fan. Now we just have ever so slightly.
Yeah.
But we had a big drag before.
All right, Xander, put it down.
Xander's going to put it down, make sure we're clearing.
If not, we got to do some more trimming again. But I knew this was going to be a feast and a nightmare.
Feast and a nightmare.
Stop.
Now we're all.
We're not far off. Okay, hoses are safe. We're good.
If you slide this over,
We can't. It puts too much of stress on the
fitting
for the AC. So we're going to have to trim the inside.
Oh, we can't trim this.
No, the inside. So we'll trim that just like I did over here.
We're touching here, Scott.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You trim inside. It's like this.
We're touching here.
Oh.
That's why I said move it over and it's fine. It's only a quarter inch. You know, because this is cut like that.
I didn't catch that. I was
So
catching
that
that.
needs to go over.
Yeah.
Scoot it over.
So the whole thing's got to be moved over.
Okay, Xander, go back up with it. All right. Fun. Till Scotty took the T-bird away. All right. All we did was move it over one hole. And now we're clearing. Thanks, Bernsey.
And it is done.
Yep. All right. So I'm going to put a strip of rubber in here.
Yep.
You
Yep.
put a what?
A strip of rubber.
Strip of rubber?
It's like a liter of cola.
Liter of Coke. What?
You're going to do some Coke?
What?
Get a tan?
Something like that.
Sweet. All right. So I'm going to put, like I said, strip of rubber on the hood. Done. And then we're going to fire this baby up in a little bit. And we're going to let her get temp. Make sure the fan works on the temp sender as well. Because we know it comes on with the AC.
Uh-huh.
So,
Scotty.
all right. Scotty's
Checking out.
done.
I'm done.
Good job. Fine. You just got here.
I've been here all day. What are you talking about? I was just hiding from you.
No. Just, hold on. Wait. You ready? Back up. That's invisible. Just saying.
Yeah. Anyway. All right. So we're right there.
Shots fired.